Hi everyone and welcome to another Odoo development tutorial. In this video, we are going to inherit sales order and we are going to add a new state after, let's say, quotation. So I'm going to add a new state. Here the name of our state will be in progress after the quotation state. So let's jump into my IDE and let's see how we can inherit the sale order and add our own state. First of all, I am going to create a file in my models folder, sale.order.py. So this will be the Python file where we will inherit sale order model. So let's go on and inherit sales order. We are going to type _inherit and the name of the sale order table, that is sale.order. Now if I go to the sale order original file and find the state field declaration, this is how the state field is declared. So we are just going to copy this and paste it in our inherited file, and we are going to place in progress state wherever we are going to add it. So in my case, I'm going to add it after the quotation stage, so I'm going to paste it after quotation. There is another attribute named selection_add, which we can use to add our own selection or the state, but I am just simply going to overwrite all of the field. And next I'm going to create a method action_progress. This will be the method that we are going to use to switch to this stage, the new stage that I'm going to add. This will be a simple method in which we are just going to change the stage to the in progress stage. That's it. Our Python file is ready. I'm going to mention this file in my init file. And now let's go on and create our XML file to reflect the changes in our front end also. I'm going to inherit the sale order form view here. The view ID that we are going to inherit will be sale order form. This we can check by clicking on this bug. Make sure your developer mode is activated, and this will be the form view. Just paste it here. And next we are going to inherit and make some changes to the form view so that our in progress stage will appear on the form view. First of all, I am going to replace this state field in the view. So I am going to use XPath. The expression will include header / field. The name of the field is state, and this I am going to replace with my own field. You can also use attributes, but in my case I am just simply replacing all of the field. Next we are going to add our button, which we will use to switch to the new field. I am going to place this button inside the header. This will be the name action underscore progress. And this is how our button will be added. Next, we are going to show this confirm sale order button in our newly added stage, so that the user can confirm the sales order from the new stage also. For that, we are going to check this button. There are two buttons with the same name. We have to make sure that we use the correct button. So this is the button that we are going to use. We have to use another XPath. The expression this time will be at header, and inside the header we are going to use button with the name action underscore confirm. You can simply hover over the button to know the name of the button, and then we are going to place 2, and we are going to use attributes because we just have to add our stage for the visibility of this button, and the attribute name will be ATTRS, and inside the ATTRS we will use the existing one, and we will just append the newly added stage after draft, so that this button will be visible in progress stage also. And this is how you can inherit the sale order, add a new stage, and also customize buttons. Now we have to make sure that we have added sale module as a dependency in our custom module, and we have to add the view file in the manifest file. And we have everything ready. Let's go on and install or upgrade our module. We have to restart the Odoo server. Now let's go on and upgrade our module. Let's go to the sales order, refresh it, and here you go. There is a new stage in progress after quotation, and we have a button set to progress. Once I click it, it will switch to the new stage, and there's confirm button also. Once we confirm it, it will confirm the sales order also. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.